Hello YouTube, this is the 2 Coolest 2. I'm doing a winter storm update right here in New York City. Let me just open this door. It'll be oh, it's a windy place. They say Chicago's a windy city. This is how the snow is right now. The snow's pretty deep, about maybe 3 inches, about 2 inches probably. It's more on the way, so you should see the snowflakes flying by. It's real cold. The current temperature is 28. The wind chill is 12. Here's the current position of the storm. All blue, I know. There's Brooklyn, Staten Island. We still have a winter storm warning. There's an evenly spread now. Nice even spread. Now we're gonna see how deep it is. Place where it hasn't been touched. This little here could just build up from driftness. I wouldn't trust that. So real windy. Current wind is like 22 miles per hour. Get a little snow blowers on. Okay, let's see how deep the snow is. I don't know if it's a good spot. Hey, right here. This is where the snow builds up. So see how wide it is? Dig it more. Okay, so this is how deep the snow is. That's about 2 inches right there. 2 inches of snow is fell right here in Brooklyn, New York. It's February 6, 2010 at 9:34 a.m. Stay tuned right here on YouTube on my channel, the 2 Coolest 2, on winter storm updates. Stay tuned. Bye.